Hi, in this lecture we are going to see triggers. Triggers are procedures that are automatically executed when an event happens. Every trigger has three properties. Number 1, event. 2, condition. 3, action. What is an event? An event is when this trigger should be fired. For example, whenever we do a database operation like insert or an update or a delete on a particular table, this trigger will be executed. So it can be a before event or it can be an after event. For example, while you are doing a database operation insert, this trigger can be configured as before insert event or after insert event. Trigger will be executed before the actual insert happens on the table, or trigger will be executed after the insert has been done to the table. Next is condition. Condition is optional because triggers are usually executed when the event happens. Now, condition specifies an additional option. If the condition is true, then the corresponding action will be taken. If the condition is false, action will be discarded. Action is the statements that are to be executed when the event triggers and the condition matches. So for a trigger to execute, an event should happen as well as condition should happen. This is an example for a trigger. Let us say we have two tables. One is called as a branch table. The other one is called as an account table. Now I am going to create a trigger that whenever we update the branch name in branch table, we are going to update the account table with the same branch name. For example, if in the branch table, if the branch name Chennai is being updated as say Madras, then in account table we also do the same update. Now the name of this trigger is modify branch name and it is an after event. So this trigger will be executed after the branch name on branch table is updated. So this is the event. And what is the condition? The condition is not all updates of branch name on branch. This trigger will be executed only when the branch name is Chennai. Only when we do an update of branch name Chennai, when this condition is satisfied, only then the action will be taken. And action is updating the account table respectively. Now update account comprises of setting the branch name, and we don't know what will be the new branch name instead of Chennai. So instead of Chennai, we are modifying that as Madras. So the new value Madras that can be accessed by using a keyword called as :new. So when we say :new dot bname, now bname it comes from branch tables branch name. So that can be accessed as new dot bname. So new dot bname will have Madras. And where branch name is equal to what is the old value of Madras? It is Chennai. So the old value that is present in the table is Chennai. So :old dot bname it returns Chennai. And begin and end block of statements identify the action that has to be taken. There are two kinds of triggers. One is called as a row level trigger, the other one is called as a statement level trigger. In a row level trigger, in branch table, how many branches are going to have the name as Chennai. For every row, a row level trigger will be executed. Whereas in a statement level trigger, this entire action will be taken only for one time. So how you make a trigger as a row level trigger? For that, we need to specify the keyword for each row. Consider this scenario. We have two tables. One is called as an employee table. The other one is called as a department table. In employee table, we have fields like Aadhaar number, employee name, salary, and to which department he belongs to. Here we record the department number of the employee, and in department table we have department number, department name, and number of employees. This number of employees field, now this is a derived attribute, so it depends on how many employees are there in employee table. Now we need to create a trigger so that whenever a new employee is added to the department, that is, whenever you insert a new tuple in employee table, in department table, you have to go to the corresponding department and update the number of employees. Now, think and write this. Now, identify and write down in the given scenario what is the event, what is the action, and what is the condition. You can pause this video and write it down, and after that you can resume this video. The action to the reflection spot system is, the event is inserting a new row into the employee table. So the trigger has to be executed whenever a new row is added to the employee table, and the condition is, we don't have any specific condition. Whenever this event happens, inserting a new row into the employee table, we have the action. The action is, we have to update the number of employees column in the department table, and we are not going to update all the number of employees field. We are going to update the particular row of the department where this new employee belongs to. So the solution to that scenario is, we create a trigger and it is going to get executed after an employee record is added. So it is an after insert on employee, this trigger will be triggered, and it is a row level trigger because if we insert 4 employees in the employee table, then to which department they belong to, all those number of employees have to be updated. So this is a row level. And what is the action that we need to do? We need to go and update the department table and set the number of employees field as number of employees plus 1. And to this department, or to which row this update should happen? To the department where the new employee has been added. Now how we are going to access that new employee department number? We need to say :new for department number. And this field name, this particular field, it actually belongs to employee table. So these are the references. If you have any query, please ask your question in the comment section. Thank you.